funding.
Mwandiki mukaru wa githomo General twekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie guthurima uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi agitanywo gutariria mahuthiro ma kigina kia muingi ruhonge-ini ruru thiini wa mwaka wa kigina wa 2023 na 2024.
As a student interact with NEC.
Ni hindi ya gikaro giki ya bunge mamuthingiriirie gutariria gitumi kia nyingi cia irathi iria ikoretwo igiakwo ni ministry ya githomo gukorwo itakinyaniirie ikiro iria ciagiriire makiria ikiringithanio na iria ikoretwo igiakwo rungu rwa kigina kia UKURIA wa MATUURA kia NGCDF.
In fact, they don't even involve the public works person in the inspection. They don't, because they know the public works person, because he has capacity, he will tell them don't pay. This thing is poorly done.
If the ministry doesn't have capacity, channel the money through NGCDF, and these members will do a very good job on your behalf, and you can come and launch.
Let me give an example of the infrastructure funds that goes to schools. We normally send direct to the schools. The schools do the construction with the guidance of the Board of Management and of course the public works at that particular level.
Kuringana na bunge aria mahinyiriirie kigina giki gibatie guthamio kuma moko-ini ma ministry ya githomo na guthukirwo kigina-ini kia NGCDF. Maugite mutugo wa ministry guthukira mwene kandarathi umwe kandarathi nene ya waki wa irathi ici niguo racungiririe gutharara kwa irathi iria ikoretwo igiakwo. Kwona macungagiririo kugaya kandarathi yo kuri ene kandarathi angi anini na thogora munini.
We will obviously keep on ensuring that the projects that are being undertaken either directly through the schools or through the donors, or
they have just said that they are going to make sure it will be there. Yeah. So no, they have said they are going to make sure. So they must,
yes, is under oath.
Yeah, and they must be having a formula. So we wait to see whether this will be implemented just by the way of the
The quality of work, I don't even want, some of them are already cracked. And you know why the quality of work? Because I went deep, I wanted to find out why. This contractor who has been given the tender subcontracts at a very low cost local contractors. So the local contractor looks at the kind amount they are being paid, they abandoned the work, or they did a very poor job on the ground.
All of us here represent constituency. You will agree with me that the poorly made laboratories are those supervised from the headquarters.
Iguru riu ololtuani akorire haceke thutha wa kuremwo gutariria gitumi kia makorwo matekuhuthira mutambo wa NEMIS kana KEMIS hari ukinyaniria wa motungata thutha wa kuhithuka ati makoretwo makihuthira njira cia tene hari gukurana arutwo mathukuru ana kana kuheana motungata mangi ruhonge-ini ruru wa bunge magikwire ino ni njama ya kungumia kigina kia muingi.
Who have the ownership documents of the schools of this secondary school? Is it the State Department of Basic Education? Is it Treasury? Because we sometimes also we don't even know who is the custodian.
And it looks like the problem, even as we get into 26, 27, is still there. So meaning that any money we are giving to this State Department for capitation to 3-day secondary school and junior secondary school is not actually getting to the target recipients.
Kumana no kamiti ino mwathire guthie guthurima ringi ciuria ciothe gubatie gutariria wega kuri kamiti ino na haririe rekodi ciothe cia macokio make maria agiriire gukorwo atumite kuri kamiti ino ihindi riria ciumia igiri ciukite. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Githago Mwaura, Wagunya.